Tell me how you want it, yeah. Call me and I'm on my way. Tell me that you need me, yeah. I'll give it to you night and day. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7, yeah, all day, yeah, yeah. 24/7.
What's up, everyone? I'm back with another video. Excuse the get up. I am like trying to get dressed, because I want to go back to sleep. But anyway, I did a little shopping yesterday for eyeshadow. Like, this is 40 different colors for each. So I am excited to play in these. I feel like I'm a little kid on the playground right now. Like, I love colors. And then I bought this yesterday too. And this I actually got from Dollar General. And it tells me exactly where to put it. Like, it's kind of engraved in the colors. And I used it yesterday and I loved my look yesterday. So I'm going to try that again today. With a little bit of twist. These actually came with their own brushes and a little mirror, like a little mirror for your eyes. I like that part too. But also my hair is looking extremely unloved right now. I can see the curls, but yeah, it needs some attention. But I did find this edge control, and I've seen it on Instagram, and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to order it. But I think the shipping fee was like out of this world, at least in my opinion. So I was like, yeah, I'll wait on that. But I found it in my local beauty supply store yesterday, so I got that. Definitely still have my kaleidoscopes. Ready to use those. Normal eyeliner, probably gonna do Carmax today. But I am extremely ready to get into this look. I did find some little tips that I can use today. And I have my old stuff too. Oh, I bought some lashes. Like, I don't know anything about lashes. I got 2 different kinds. And I got a glue. And I am going out of town Friday. So I'm going to go to someone's salon, house, I don't know, and get them to put those on. Hopefully they look a little natural, because I'm not for the whole, yeah, mannequin looking dead person thing. I'm good on that. I need a natural look. Like, they can look like they do belong to me just a little bit. But y'all, let's go ahead and get into this look. So first, I already put on my Carmax my cocoa butter, and I washed my face this morning. Actually scratched that. I'm going to go ahead and use this edge control so I can have some time to lay down. I'm going to leave this down on the side, and I will hydrate that afterwards. So I'm not going to use much, but I do want it to lay down. Doesn't feel any different from any other kind I've used. So I guess we'll see if it stays down. And it comes in bigger jars. I was more so just trying it, and then we'll see how that goes, and I may get a larger one. Okay, let's let that sit. Alright, got that. My hair sticking up on the side. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my concealer and get these eyelids just a little bit. I saw this in one video and it actually looks like it helped. So I've been doing it a little bit. I'm gonna go back to what I used yesterday. I actually really like this because I had no idea what I was doing, and although it didn't have like written out instructions like a paragraph or anything, it definitely like led me in the right direction. So that was a plus. Let's get this. Okay, so I'm going to use the one that says lid first and go in on these. And this is kind of like what I did before, but I didn't know like all the steps. It has a highlight, a crease, and then the lid, but it has multiple options for each. So I'm going in with this color. Where is it? This color here. And interesting enough, I'm actually looking for a new car. Like, I definitely need to purchase a new car. I have a deadline, so I need to get up out of here, so I won't be all day. I don't think anyone should be all day doing their makeup anyway. But yeah, not so much as going to rush the look, but I'm not going to take my time, so to speak. I don't know why I closed that. Then I like the color that it said for the crease and the highlight, but I'm going to go in with one of these other colors that just kind of look a little similar. So the creases is like a burgundy and grayish looking. Yeah, so this set has more so of a selection of colors like those. So for the crease, I'm going to go in with this. I actually like that because I do love burgundy, so I'm gonna go in with that. And I'm not sure what order I'm supposed to do this, but this is the order I'm doing it today. I don't know if I'm not using enough or what. Well, I guess we'll see soon enough if it's working. But I'm gonna do my part and put it up here for it to work. Okay, and then we all know how much I love gold. If I knew how to open this up. Okay. Definitely don't know what color I'm wearing today, but it has a great selection of golds. So I'm going to stick with that and then probably put something in the middle and go from there. So and this has like a little shimmer to it that I do love. Okay, more about my car. I really want a Kia Soul. You know the little mouse car? I love those. I actually have one right now as a rental, and I've fallen in love with it. My best friend has one, and I think it would be a great match for me. But I'm open to other cars as well, because I don't know too much about cars. So I guess I just fell in love with that since that's what I have right now. But there's room for encouragement because I don't know exactly what I want. But for this highlighter, I know that I want. I'm gonna go with what's over here. And I just put this in the corner. I used this one yesterday, so I'm gonna use this today. And I just went in the corner a little bit. I really want to try makeup with the crayon case, but Super just had a whole baby, and yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the inventory to get restocked. Let's spread that out a little bit. Okay. Now, what color do I want to go in with today? I like orange. I'm gonna go in with orange. I have an orange shirt that would be really cute. So I'm gonna go in the middle with orange. Yeah. And for some reason, well, my eyeliner always like pulls this look together. Like right now it may just look like colors everywhere, but that black, it unifies everything, and I love that. And my wings were popping yesterday. Okay. I'm going with glitter later, but this is the colors that I want. Have the orange, the gold, the highlight in the corner, the crease. So we have all of those. I'm going with my mascara, my eyeliner. I actually did go look for a car yesterday, being that Kia is the brand that I wanted, but they tried to charge me $3,000 over the price that's listed online. Like, nah, I don't know what type of dummy they thought they ran into. But yeah, I'll wait or go elsewhere. I mean, I get it's tax time or whatever, tax season, but yeah, I'm not the one to get over on. Don't you need bags of that? Okay, what am I missing? Mascara. Still look like not. Cause I don't need no. Show me where you go. I always lose my lip liner pencil. It's really unfortunate. I don't know, it was up here. Oh well. Say no well, but I'm still looking for it. That'll be alright. I have a bunch of them, which is why I don't understand why I can't find one. But this is liquid eyeshadow that I have to always put on with the brush because it is so, I don't know, it's liquid, so it's wet, of course. But I tend to go in with this, and then so it doesn't run, I put some of the powder in, and I'm positive that's what I'm gonna do today too. So I just go in my corners. I put on too much on that part. Going on this side. I don't know why I always put more on this side. And I like this because it always gives like the Egyptian type finish. Don't know why my phone... See, what's crazy is my house phone always rings, but no one has my number. So I know it's no one I want to speak to. So I'm going to let that ring. I need a different brush for that. And then this like helps it go ahead and give that dry finish, because I don't need eyeshadow running into my eyes. And I did not put on concealer, and I am going to do so now. I'm only going to do 2 lines today because these lines are thick. Thinking about documenting, or recording at least, me and my search for my car. Couldn't hurt. But I don't know, I'm hoping that I find something before I go out of town. But that is my makeup for today. I am about to go get dressed, so give me a second and I will be back. Okay. So this shirt is actually from Fashion Nova. As you can see, this is a Victoria's Secret bra. But I just want to see how these edges work. Oh. Oh. Okay. I see you. And I did add some water to my hair. I think I'm getting better with this. Like, I'm still looking for guidance, but I really, really like it. Yeah. But anyway, that is my look for today. Always looking for the most natural look I can. I don't feel like I used too much today. Things may not have went where they're supposed to, but I feel like they look okay where they are. But I definitely have other videos to make. I'm trying to get my makeup down pat. I want to look flawless in these videos. And I want you to be able to look flawless from what I've learned and what I show you. And the thing that helped me the most today was this. I get y'all feel like y'all should order the expensive stuff online. But this, bruh, it helps a lot. Like, if you don't know where things go, you need to get one of those. I loved all the colors. I can't wait to explore with the rest of them. I've been listening to Beyonce a lot lately. Okay, I'm done with that. But yeah, that's the look for today, and that is all for today. I have a challenge coming up, and it's nothing for you to do, but it is something that I'm going to do with a friend. I'm pretty sure you would get a lot of laughs from it at my expense. So be on the lookout for that. And remember that you are all royalty and you should act as such. Have a great day.
You are my African queen.